Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video guys, I have graphic liner. It's from a lady here on YouTube called Tammi Clark, Makeup by Tammi on Instagram. So she have our brand now, and she released about 12 different color of graphic liner. I always wanted to try graphic liner when Novena released hers. It was dead expensive. I was like, you know what, leave it. So when Tammi announced this on Instagram that she's gonna come out with something similar, I was like, you know what, I am here for it. Let's try. Here's what I have here: 6 different colors. Okay, they all have name on it and her logo, which is Makeup by Tammi. And this one is Ocean. The whole set called cake liner. This one here, what's the shade? Is pumpkin. This one is apple. This green one is apple. And this one is heart, which is this very one here, heart. This one is buttercup. And this one is coconut. Okie dokie. One is about to. Okay. All right, this one was shaking, so this is the liner. Just remove. Put it back on. Press it down, I guess. Buttercup. Each costs £5. Bundle, you get a discount. This is supposed to be £30 because it's this bundle called Neo bundle. It costs £26.99, and pay postage first class, which is £4.58 for first class postage. So in total, I paid £31.57. Apparently, you can activate this with water. So I have water here. I will go with heart. Okay. I hope you are doing well, guys. Let's spray. Okay. Can I swatch it for you? This is heart. And the second shade is pumpkin. This is the second shade, which is pumpkin. Julia that doesn't like swatches. This blue one it's called Ocean. This is Ocean. Okay, this one is apple. Apple. Now this one is coconut. This is coconut. Buttercup. All these are the liner. Dry down quick. This one is already dry. This one is dried. This one is halfway. They dry down quick. These are the 6 shade I got. 6 color. I might try and use as much as I can with this stuff, but I don't know how. It's 6, so I don't know how many I can use. I'll take green one. So let's go back to the blue Ocean. This pumpkin. Okay, now let's do the yellow. How do I look?
You're gonna do white underneath the blue and the green, and pink underneath the orange and the yellow.
Right, okay. The boss has spoken. Okay, now let's do white. Okay guys, now I am back. I have applied lashes on. I don't know where I was up to before the camera stopped. Let me just try and narrate. Okay, I use in total 4 shades on this eye, which is white, green, blue, and a yellow dot. Then on this other eye, also use 4 shades, yeah, red, which is hot, yellow, orange, and green. So I just kind of just try and use the whole shade, the whole color. Okay, here is the thing when it comes to this eyeliner. This product is good, but there is a trick to it. When you are mixing in, make sure it's liquidy, because I made mistake here. When this one, for example, is too thick. It's like it's about to remove, because when I mix it was too thick. But when I was not doing this side, I managed to get a hang of it, and here as well. The lighter it is, right? When you pour your water in, the lighter it is, the better it is. If it's too light, you can always, you know, go through that line again. Instead of making it too thick, it will just look like a plastic. It's like this one is about to just remove, but this is not. You see, this one is separating. It's not the product, because this eye is not separating. It's me that makes it wrong. Okay, that is on me. Okay, this one is not separating. The shade, I mean, so like thick, is about to start separating. But the one that I was like very light, which is, let's say, the blue, the white, and the yellow, and this green here, very light-handed. When I mix it, very liquidy. They just okay. It's just good. The product is good, but it's a very, very good product. I got 6 here. Okay, it's very good. But one thing when it comes to the packaging is, you see this here. You see this here. It's too big. You know. Should have been just slightly smaller. Look, maybe look at that. It's just, that is one thing. Then when it comes to the actual logo, which is this very one here, which is Tammi brand. If you remove this, Tammi, right now I'm talking to you, your product is good, but the packaging, I mean the logo, is not quite there yet. You got this. This is your business. This is your, you know, this is your baby. If you remove this sticker here, this is owned by no one. You know what I mean? But if you crest your logo, this is yours forever. That's just my opinion. Of course, when it comes to cresting logo, they intend to charge very, very much. Then you can also pull your price just slightly, even if it's just £1 more, because this product here, the product inside is good. When I opened the something, when I opened everything, one was shaking. I think either the yellow or the red, one of the shade, it just you know, fell on my hand. I don't know whether due to the traveling, due to the posting, I don't know why that happened, but that is another something that I find not quite happy with that, if that makes sense. Overall, the actual product itself, like I said, this is third time saying it now, the actual product itself is good. Sticker logo, I'm not, this very one here, no, it look to make, I know it's reasonable price, but it make it look very cheap. This one here, that's just my, all these are my opinion, guys, for today's video, guys. I don't know whether this is still available on Tammi's website. I don't know whether it's sold out or not, but her website is MakeupByTammi.com. if you want to go and get yours. It's £5 each. If you buy bundle, you will even get it cheaper with bundle plus postage. Okay, that's it for today, guys. This is not the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this, whatever I put together today, graphic, liner, drawing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. It's at MakeupByTammi with Julia. Right, guys, I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.